Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the key features of our website's results grid. We'll walk through how to manage your search results effectively using the tools available. Let's dive in. Once you've entered your search parameters, you'll notice the results grid on the right side of the screen updates automatically. Take a look at the top of the grid. Here, you'll see the total number of results, export, create mailing labels, customize the grid, and print the grid as it appears. You'll also spot a toggle to switch between table and card views. Let's explore each of these options one by one. First up, the Export button. When you click it, you'll get two choices: a quick export, which sends your results grid data straight to a spreadsheet, or a custom export, where you can pick the fields that you want. For example, a quick export will look like this. It instantly pulls the results grid data into a spreadsheet with the most popular fields our clients love, all preset for simplicity and speed. If we instead choose the custom export, a new window pops up. This is where the magic happens. You've got over 170 attributes to choose from, so you can tailor the export to exactly what you need. At the top left, you'll see the number of records you're exporting, and at the top right, your remaining export allowance for the month. There's also a template drop-down menu. Pick an existing template or create your own by selecting attributes and saving them as personalized templates. On the right side, you'll see your chosen attributes listed. You can drag to rearrange their order or delete the ones you don't want. The order here will match your exported spreadsheet. At the bottom, you can choose to export all rows or just a specific range. Finally, pick your format: CSV, Excel, or text file. Next, let's check out the Create Mailing Labels button. Click it and a new window appears with plenty of options. At the top left, you'll see your total records and how many have deliverable USPS addresses. Below that, decide where to send the labels: the property address or the owner's address. Keep in mind the owner may not live at the property. Now, how should this label be addressed? You can use the owner's name, current resident, both together, or a custom option like Our Friends At. Moving down, we've got dataset options. By default, we've pre-selected a few dataset options for you. Concerned about duplicates? Just check this box to skip them. You can also adjust things further: remove commas from owners' names, exclude government-owned properties, switch to a last name, first name format, or filter for only USPS deliverable addresses. At the bottom, you'll see your monthly export allowance, including how many labels are in this batch and how many you've exported so far. You can export all rows or a specific range. Over on the right, there's a live preview. It updates as you tweak settings. Need to print on a different Avery mailing label template? You can explore all the options right here. Change the font with this drop-down and toggle title case or bold text here. Finally, at the bottom right, export your labels as a PDF for printing on Avery mailing labels, or click the drop-down to pull raw data into an Excel file or CSV. Now, onto the Customize Table button. Click it, and you'll recognize the Attributes window from the Export feature. Select new attributes or rearrange them and watch your results grid update to match. For example, if I drag Zoning to the top, it now leads the grid. It's that easy to personalize your view. Lastly, we have the Print button. This one's straightforward. Click it, and it prints the results grid exactly as you see it on screen. No fuss, just a clean printout of your data. And that's it. You've now mastered the results grid tools, exporting data, creating mailing labels, customizing your table, and printing. With these features, you can make the website work exactly how you need it to. Thanks for following along, and happy exploring.